What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you how to wire up a smoke detector and your test station. So over here you have your thermostat, this is your RTU, and your smoke detector. My son decided to spill a juice on my little project, so this is what we're working with. So 9 and 10 is your common. 10 is normally your common. 9 is going to be a 24-volt side. So you are going to need a jumper from 9 to 6, and then you're going to go from 16 to the R terminal on the thermostat. So the RTU powers up both the smoke detector and your thermostat at the same time. Common goes to 10, and straight ground. That's all you need for a smoke detector. That's everything that you need for a smoke detector. Now for a test station, I try to do it in color so we can actually see where everything lands. So again, this represents your alarm. So you're gonna have the black wire from the alarm is gonna go from here to 19. All of these are connected. So your alarm, your sound, your trouble, your pilot. You take all those black wires on that on that test station, connect all of them, bring them to 19. Okay, land them on terminal 19 for the smoke detector. Now, the red wire. Okay, this is gonna be a red wire for your sound. You're gonna connect your red wire for your sound and your red wire for your alarm. You're gonna bring them all the way over to terminal 11. Okay, on the smoke detector. Bring them all the way to terminal 11 on the smoke detector. Your trouble, your red wire on the trouble, you're gonna bring it all the way to terminal 4 on the smoke detector. Let me see. Your pilot, you're gonna bring it all the way to number 2. Okay. Number 1 on the smoke detector is gonna be for your key reset, and you're gonna go from the key reset has 2 black wires. Okay, you're gonna go from take one wire, go to terminal number 1, and the other one is gonna go to 20. 20 must be jumped from 15 to 20. Okay, 15 to 20. So the only 2 wires that you should have jumped using this test station is 15 and 20 and 6 and 9. Okay, that's literally all you need to do a smoke detector with a test station.